Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to replace the battery in your Sony ZV-1 camera. It's real easy to do. Now, the camera itself only comes with one battery, and you can order extra batteries really cheaply with an extended charger that will charge multiple batteries at once. I'll put a link in the description to a pack of 3 batteries plus a charger that will charge all 3 at the same time for like 20 bucks on Amazon. I have it, it works really great. But anyways, all we need to do to change the battery is come on the bottom, and we're just going to, where it says lock, we're just going to pop this little tab over, and then it will pop that open. And then if you see this little blue tab here, we'll just come in here, and we'll just pull the blue tab back, and you'll see the battery pops right up. And you see there's the little arrow here. So what we'll do from here is we'll take this out, we'll take our new battery, and again with that little arrow pointing here, we're going to just slide it back in, and push the battery down until the blue clicks. Close this door, slide it back over, and our battery has been replaced.